Let's see how you can easily collect customers' email through a simple Facebook chatbot automation and send any sort of email marketing campaigns as well. So here I'm in a demo account and we have already connected the Facebook page, but if you are wondering how, simply click on channels option over here and here choose Facebook Messenger and you will see the connect button over there and simply connect it. So here in the help center we have the step-by-step guides on how to connect your Facebook page right here. So you will need to simply log in with Facebook, choose your Facebook page and simply connect it on our platform. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations on your Facebook page and collect emails as well. And another important thing is that you can easily send emails using our platform for free as well. So here again in the channels option, you have to simply connect your email providers. So here you can connect any email providers you like and simply send any sort of emails for free as well. So here we have already connected the email and also the Facebook page as well. Let's see how to build a very simple automation to collect a particular customer's details or either emails as well. So let me go to the flow section over here and let me create a new flow and let me name this one as FB chatbot email capture and click continue. So here in the flow builder, when building flows, you will see the message type by default set to omnichannel. That means it can simply work on other channels too. So you don't need to build the same flows again and again for different channels like Instagram, WhatsApp or any other channels as well. So you can actually use the same flow for other channels easily. So let's just choose omnichannel and start building the flow. So here, let's say we want to collect a particular customer's email and then provide them a discount coupon as well. So in this case, you have to use the get user data option over here. Choose get user data. And let me type the message. Here we ask them for their email address for the 15% discount, and here if it is on Facebook, you can actually use these first name variables as well. So let's say hey, and here add the first name. So it will add the customer's first name right there from their Facebook profile as well. So click on edit and make sure the reply type is set up as email because we want to collect the email address, and save in the email response field. Otherwise you can actually collect other details too. So here you can collect specific text field, phone number, image, file, even other details as well. But in this video we are going to just collect their email address over there, email, save response to email, and when they fail to enter a correct email address or correct format of the email address, then this particular error message will be sent to them. You can actually edit this error message as well. So here you can also add the skip button as well. Otherwise, if you want to collect the email address before you provide the discount coupon, then you can actually keep this as empty. So it says if empty, the user will be forced to fill this field. So let's keep this as empty as well. Alright, and here if you want to send any sort of follow-up messages, failed attempts, want to track, you can do that. For now, let's disable this option and click save. Once the email is saved or once the email is provided, data was saved, you can actually add an action which says email opt-in. So that means you tell our system you have the permissions to send any sort of emails to this particular customer. So email, set email opt-in. Alright, done. And now you can send them the specific discount coupon right there, send message, and you can even send the emails as well. So here let me say thank you, here's your 15% off discount coupon, and here let me add this arrow right here, chat 15, and here you can add a button as well which goes to the website as well. So let me say buy now, and you can add any website links as well. So this is how this particular message will be sent to them. And if you want to send them an email, you can do that as well. So choose plus by icon and choose send email, and here you can click continue. So the email will be sent right away as well. So here let me say your discount coupon. So let me add the pre-header, headline as well, and here if you want to add the text, you can do that as well. This will be added as the headline, and here you can say buy now, and here open the website link right here, and here you can add the discount coupon as well. So here the discount coupon we set up was chat 15. So here let me add the discount coupon right here, chat 15, just for the demo. Alright, and here you can set this as you like as well. and let's make sure this is published. Alright, it's published. So now to trigger this particular chatbot flow, you can actually use the keywords, or you can also use Facebook comments automation as well. So let's say we want to use the Facebook comments automation. For that, go to marketing tools over here, choose Facebook comments and create a new one, and let me say FB discount. And here you can actually choose a specific post, or you can track on all posts as well. So let's use all post, and the private reply you have to choose the specific flow which we just created, FB chatbot email capture. And the public comment reply will be you can actually add different variation. For example, send your DM, or let's say DM sent. So you can actually add different variations as you like, and you can set up a specific keyword to trigger this automation. For example, only if they say discount, then this particular automation will get triggered. And here you have other options as well. So you can even delay this for a few minutes, hours, or randomly within few minutes as well. So let's choose immediately and click save. Alright, and make sure this is active as well. So now let's go to the Facebook page and add the comment discount and see how this automation works as well. So here is the Facebook page. So let me open a random post or reel and add the comment. So here let me open this particular post over here and say a discount. Alright, I have just added the comment discount, and let's see how this actually works. We received the message. It says, hey Austin, please enter your email address below so we can send you the 15% off discount. And here, since this is on Facebook, their email address on the Facebook profile get automatically populated right here. So they don't need to actually enter the email address over here. So they can also simply tap on this email address and provide to the chatbot as well. So here, in this case, let me use a different email address, temporary email address. So let me copy this email address over here and paste it. So I'm providing a different email address, and let's see what happens, because we set up the email campaign as well. Alright, it says thank you, here's your 15% off discount coupon, chat 15 and buy now. So if I click on buy now, it will take me directly to the Chatting Media website where they can actually use the specific discount coupons just for the demo. So here we should have received an email as well. So here if I go to the email, here we received the email. It says your discount coupon is here, and here this is the email we just set up right there with the headline text over here, your discount coupon chat 15 buy now. So if I tap on this button, it will take them directly to the specific website as well. Simple as that. So here we have set up the exact same things right here. So if you go to the unified inbox, you can actually track that conversation as well. So here inbox, here you should see the conversation from the Facebook right here, and here you can track these conversations right here, and from here you can check for the customer's email as well. And here another important thing is that once you have collected all the customers' email, you can send any sort of broadcast campaigns as well. So here send broadcast and choose the email right here. And from here you can actually send specific flows and set up specific email broadcast as well. And you can even send drip campaigns as well. For example, if you go to the marketing tools, you can set up drip campaigns which send series of messages to specific customers. For example, email DFI email campaigns. So here you can set up different email campaigns at different intervals of different days, hours as you like as well. So the possibilities are endless right here, and that's a quick video on how you can easily capture emails from your Facebook chatbot automation and send emails as well. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.